You think a mask is business attire or not? Can you really start an online business during this epic time? In this video, I'm going to tell you my personal opinions why you can start an online business even during these unfortunate times. Hello, Just Start gang. It's Shanique here from StartWithNeeks.com, the home of the Just Start Mentorship program, guiding you Christian women to your true identity and dream life by becoming an impactful entrepreneur even when no one knows who you are. So if you want to learn how to just start your profitable online business, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. First off, I don't want to be insensitive to such a tragic time right now. My prayers go out to all the families who have been affected and the people being affected just by the closure, the lockdown, the quarantine that is happening with the coronavirus. First off, starting an online business is probably one of the smartest things to do. Why? Because some of you have extra time. I know some places around the world are on lockdown and quarantine. So you have all the Wi-Fi, access to your phone, mobile devices. You can provide a service online right now and you can start today. So what are some services that you can provide today, right now, by just opening up a website or adding a profile on some kind of LinkedIn or professional website? You can be an online tutor, a video editor, an online coach. You can be a copywriter or other things like social media marketing, consultant, or anything else, just providing a service that permits people not to have to leave their home. You can interact with them online via Skype, via Zoom, via GoToMeeting. There's so many ways to interact and provide services online right now from the comfort of your home. But what if you want to take a step further and you want to provide more of a service, like actually becoming someone's personal assistant? You go out and do deliveries for people, do tasks around their home and help them get by in these troubled times, especially homes where there's elderly people. You can definitely provide services. There's still services like Uber, Uber Eats, Lyft, DoorDash, all those places that you can still be able to make an income even during these times. If you're still having trouble with coming up with the perfect business idea, be sure to check out my website, StartWithNeeks.com, where you can find how you can work with me one-on-one, and we can definitely pinpoint and explore those options for you to start making an impact as an influential online entrepreneur, making an income even when no one knows who you are. Also, for my personal insight, I definitely see the need of starting something for yourself, because you never know when you have emergencies such like this where you are either in quarantine, your work slows down, your business is shut down, and you don't have an income coming in. That's why I really strongly suggest that you look into starting your own business, because you just never know. And this is probably one of the best times to look into finding multiple sorts of incomes. You've heard it before, you've heard it being told to you, but you've never taken action. And unfortunately, sometimes it takes such a serious situation like this to realize, what am I going to do when it comes to money? And you definitely want to not come back into this situation again. So really make it your aim to just start. Just start, gang. You can do it. You can turn your circumstances, your situation right now, turn it around and make something great out of it, okay? Again, I still want to reach out to all the people that have been affected. I believe that we all are affected one way or another, so definitely make decisions according to what is best for you in your situation right now. This is my advice, my opinion. You definitely want to start something for yourself, and starting an online business right now is probably one of the best ways to make an income and stay safe. So definitely just start, gang. Please stay safe in these times. To further assist you with starting your online business, I'm going to share with you an insider truth of why Instagram will not and never make you rich. It's a great tool, but it won't make you rich. So if you do want to build an empire, an online business for yourself, then be sure to watch that, my next video, why Instagram will not make you rich. In the meantime, I want you to check out these two videos. If you're really willing to start a business, make an impact, make an income, even when no one knows who you are. Just start, gang. Keep sharing the good news and keep up the great work. I'll see you in my next video.